Picture this. You're scrolling through Instagram and suddenly stop at a photo that takes your breath away. A woman in a flowing ao dai stands on an ancient bridge, lanterns reflecting in the water below, creating pure magic. That's Vietnam, and today I'm giving you the exact blueprint to capture those viral moments while experiencing the real soul of this incredible country. Whether you have just one day or a full 3 days, I've cracked the code on maximizing your Vietnam adventure. We're talking about those spots that'll make your followers double tap instantly, combined with authentic experiences that'll change how you see travel forever. Let's start with your whirlwind one-day Vietnam experience. If you only have 24 hours, we're making every single minute count. Begin your morning at 5:30 a.m. in Hanoi's Old Quarter. I know it sounds brutal, but trust me on this. The streets are empty, golden light is filtering through the narrow alleyways, and you'll capture that dreamy, cinematic footage without crowds. Head straight to Train Street, where colorful houses line active railway tracks. The contrast between daily life and rumbling trains creates storytelling gold for your content. By 7 a.m., you're at a local pho stall. Not the touristy ones, but where motorbike taxi drivers grab breakfast. The steam rising from your bowl, paired with the chaotic beauty of morning traffic, gives you authentic cultural content that performs incredibly well on social media. Next, jump on a motorbike taxi to Hoan Kim Lake. The red bridge leading to Ngaksan Temple is Instagram perfection, especially with morning mist still hanging over the water. Spend an hour here capturing different angles, including those coveted reflection shots. By 10 a.m., you're heading to the Vietnamese Women's Museum. This might seem random, but the traditional costumes and historical displays provide stunning backdrop opportunities. Plus, you're supporting local culture while creating diverse content. Your afternoon belongs to the famous Long Bien Bridge. This French colonial railway bridge offers panoramic city views that scream wanderlust. The rusty iron framework creates incredible geometric patterns for your photos, while the red river below adds natural beauty. End your one-day adventure at a rooftop bar in the French Quarter as sunset approaches. The colonial architecture bathed in golden hour light, with modern Hanoi sprawling in the background, creates that perfect travel lifestyle shot that algorithms absolutely love. Now, let's level up with your 2-day itinerary. Day 1 follows our previous blueprint, but Day 2 takes you deeper into Vietnam's photogenic heart. Start Day 2 at 4 a.m. with a trip to Ha Long Bay. Yes, it's touristy, but those limestone karsts rising from emerald waters are iconic for a reason. Book a small boat tour, not the massive cruise ships. The intimate setting allows for better photography angles and more authentic interactions with local boat operators. The key to Ha Long Bay content is timing. Most tourists arrive late morning, so your early departure means you'll capture those pristine, crowd-free shots. The floating fishing villages provide incredible storytelling opportunities, especially when you interact respectfully with local families who've lived on these waters for generations. Your 2-day adventure concludes with a cooking class in Hanoi. Vietnamese cuisine is incredibly photogenic, and learning to make spring rolls or pho creates engaging educational content. The colorful ingredients, traditional techniques, and your genuine reactions to new flavors make for compelling viewing. Your 3-day itinerary transforms everything. You're no longer rushing between photo opportunities, but creating a genuine travel narrative. Days 1 and 2 remain similar, but with more breathing room for spontaneous discoveries. Those unplanned moments often become your most viral content, so building flexibility into your schedule is crucial. Day 3 belongs to Sapa or Minh Binh, depending on your content goals. Sapa offers those breathtaking terraced rice fields that look like nature's staircase to heaven. The mountain landscapes, traditional hill-tride villages, and sunrise views over endless green terraces create content that performs exceptionally well across all platforms. Alternatively, Ninh Binh provides the famous Tam Kok boat rides through limestone caves and rice paddies. The combination of natural beauty and cultural authenticity makes for incredibly shareable content. For your Sapa adventure, stay overnight in a homestay with a local family. This experience provides authentic cultural immersion while creating heartwarming content about human connections across language barriers. The traditional meals, evening conversations, and morning views create a complete storytelling arc. Throughout all itineraries, remember these content creation golden rules. Golden hour is everything in Vietnam. So plan your most important shots for sunrise and sunset. The lighting transforms ordinary locations into extraordinary content. Vietnamese people are incredibly photogenic and welcoming, but always ask permission before photographing individuals. Respectful interaction often leads to more authentic, powerful images than sneaky street photography. Street food scenes are content goldmines. The colorful ingredients, cooking techniques, and your genuine reactions create engaging, educational content that audiences love sharing. Vietnam's incredible diversity means every region offers unique photographic opportunities. From floating markets to mountain villages, ancient temples to modern cities, your content will never feel repetitive. Most importantly, balance content creation with genuine experience. Your most authentic, engaging content comes from real emotions and interactions, not staged photo opportunities. Vietnam isn't just another destination to check off your list. It's a country that'll challenge your perspectives, feed your soul, and provide enough incredible content to fuel your social media for months. Whether you choose 1 day or 3, you're about to create memories and content that'll inspire others to explore this incredible country themselves.